Get out there!
Captain. Yeah, dude. Sick.
Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip. What started from this tropic port aboard this tiny ship. The mate was a mighty sailing man, the skipper brave and sure. 5 passengers set sail that day for a 3-hour tour. A 3-hour tour. Oh, weather started getting rough, the tiny ship was tossed. If not for the courage of the fearless crew, the minnow would be lost. The minnow would be lost. The ship set ground on the shore of this uncharted desert isle, with Gilligan, the skipper too, a millionaire and his wife, a movie star, the professor and Marianne, here on Gilligan's Isle.
We've been mutinied. There's been a mutiny.
God damn, she was fucking off the hook though.
Yeah, dude, those damn little whores.
They got friction burn from that chick, dude. We were going at it pretty tough, man. God damn it. Oh man. Fuck, I forgot my chaps.